Hey, all you viewers of Your Name Later, how we doing today? I know it's been, what, a hot moment or six since we've taken a look at a Gerber blade. Today I got a bit of a treat for you. Today we're going to take a look at the Randy Newberg DTS. And that's just basically stands for Dual Tool System. Now, I really love it when Gerber sends it in these boxes. Makes it a little bit easier to open. That's just kind of, yeah, your silicone, don't eat this, your warranty info, and I love these boxes. They always leave you kind of a message in the back. And my phone just dinged, and I got some stuff going on, so hold on, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Now, the part that I found funny is basically this blade comes in a sheath, all right? So they had the sheath secured in there by zip ties when it came, which just made me kind of giggle. But yeah, it's their like ballistic nylon sheath. So, let's move on to the fun part, okay? I saw this thing, and I went, whoo, that's a big bitch. You know? I'm like, I like big blades by Gerber. Yeah, I know. I like big blades, and I cannot lie. Sorry. I need more caffeine. Don't hold that against me. But I did like the fact that basically it's a multi-tool hunter blade to help you with skinning and, you know, deboning and all that other interesting things. But we're going to get into all that fun stuff here in just one moment. It's got an overall length of about 8.875 inches. The big blade here is about 3.75. And closed, we're looking at about 5.125 inches. Now, it's got a big weight to it of 6.60 ounces. You will seriously feel this in your pocket, but on your belt, you kind of don't feel it as much. Now, the big blade here is done in the drop point style. You can see the stonewash finish with the plain edge. And to be honest with you, I could not find a grind on this thing at all. So I'm not even going to hazard a guess. I don't know to sound like I know what I'm saying when I don't. But still. Now, this is what got me. So for the big blade here, it's 440 high carbon. Now for the little blade back here, where would you go? Here you go. It's D2 steel. And that's designed to help break through tendons and help break through some bones and give you that little saw thing. So I thought that was kind of cool. And I also like the fact it's got two separate locking mechanisms on this blade. The D2 black blade is basically auto lock back right through here. So I thought that was neat. Now for the main blade, you got your pivot lock. But yeah, of course it didn't lock in place. Ha! Now, I do like the fact they said it's a barrel construction for easy cleaning. So I can see that getting in there, instead of having to break everything down with toothbrushes and everything else for air guns, a little easy to clean. Now, it has this orange-gray rubberized scales, which seriously feel really, really good in the hand. I like how you can squeeze it a little bit, and it kind of goes in a little. That's about the only way I can describe it. Like, when you're squeezing a box, that's kind of how it feels. But it's really sturdy and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. One thing I thought was really freaking cool. Other than the fact it's orange, if you drop it out in the field, you should be able to find it. It's got dual reflective stickers on here. So when you're shining a flashlight, that's going to glow. It's going to glow big time. Like I made mention, it does have the ballistic nylon sheath. And yes, it is made in China. Okay? But still, probably forgot to say it. It does have that little thumb opener right there. I don't want to call it a thumb hole, and it's not a blood groove. No, it's just a fuller sitting in there, or however you want to put it. It's in there. Okay, so let's get on to the cut tests. Now, I know it's supposed to be a hunting blade, and to be honest with you, I went to the store today, and I forgot to buy something to freeze, so we're just going to have to deal with my usual cut tests, okay? I know I'm going to get it beat up in the comments section, but still. And if you're curious why we do those 3 cut tests, take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why I do those 3 cut tests. Alright, heavy duty stock paper. Oh yeah. I love that sound it makes. I mean, the way it just rips right through. And if you're taking a look right there, it's not really forcing the paper too much to one side, which I think is pretty cool. Now let's see if we can get a curly cue. Yeah, I'll take that. That's just dragging it nicely over the top, so I will easily take that. Alright, I really don't see much paper on the blade itself, which is kind of a good thing. I mean, there is some, but not a lot. Alright, paracord. And no, I'm not going to pull out the D2 blade because it's just a saw. So, yeah, and that's why I really wanted the frozen meat to kind of saw through it, but I'm an idiot. So, alright, pull test. Not bad. Not as much effort as I thought I was going to need to put into it, just because how this paracord's been treating me recently in other reviews. Alright, slice test. Oh, yeah, right through that. And yes, please say a prayer for Mr. Ratchet Strap, because it is time. And yes, the Ratchet Strap. He's becoming more of a celebrity on my channel than I am. Little. Yeah, not jealous at all. Wow, I went through it pretty easy. Okay. Now I can automatically see right there the red fuzzies from the Ratchet Strap. But really nothing else on the sides and really nothing else looking out of place with the blade. So I'll happily take that. Alright, now I did all the homework on this guy on February 24th, 2021. And I'm filming this February 27th, 2021. I went looking on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ for this guy. On Amazon, it's going to run you $59.99. It is Prime eligible. On Gerber, it's $60, and on Blade HQ, it's $59.99. It has yet to be reviewed on Blade HQ. On Gerber, it's been reviewed 5 out of 5. Well, excuse me, it's 5 out of 5 star rating with 5 reviews. 555. Say that 5 times fast. And on Amazon, it's been reviewed 89 times for a 4.8 out of 5 star rating. Okay. Now, here's the fun part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger. Everything right down below in the comments section. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I like it. I like the concept of it. Fits pretty good in the hand. Something I would use for an everyday carry? No, but it would probably go in a bug-out bag or a hunt kit, for lack of a better phrase. Okay, now moving on with this fun stuff. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose mine. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below. Let's see how we can change the course of the history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I know, I'm asking you an awful lot. I know. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out of the way, like it owes you money or did something bad to your sister, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up right about here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching my quick overlook on the Randy Newberg Gerber DTS, which is dual tool system. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a great day, and we'll see you in our very next video.